We would like to see all the hostages back as soon as possible. We don't agree with the war that is for the benefit of the dictator and not benefit of all of us.
Now Bibi, a corrupt and criminal leader, which only wants to stay in his throne. He only wants to be in reign, and he doesn't care if Israel burns to the ground on the way. He is sacrificing the hostages. He is sacrificing our sons and daughters, which are combat soldiers, which are going into Gaza and will die in vain only for his reign.